Hey guys, I created this short movie thriller for free using AI. In a land where legends are born, a ruthless enemy emerges from the skies. One king stands between darkness and his beloved queen. With courage as his shield and love as his sword. This summer, witness the epic tale of valor and heart. Only in theaters. Wow, isn't that amazing? This entire video was created using free AI tools, and this type of videos is a great niche to start your faceless YouTube channel with. And videos like this gets a lot of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create amazing movies thrillers, like what you just saw using free AI tools. Now let's begin. First, we need a good script for our movie thriller. If you are good in writing script, then that's great. But if you find it hard in writing script, then don't worry. We will be using ChatGPT to write our script. ChatGPT helps you get answers, find inspiration, and be more productive. It is free to use and easy to try. Now go over to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Write me a 40 seconds action movie trailer about a king saving his queen from dragons. You can decide to change the prompt to any type of movie you want to create. And that's it. Your script is ready. Now that our script is ready, it's time to generate our image for our video. And to get this images for free, we are going to use Leonardo.ai. Go over to your browser and search for Leonardo.ai. Click on Get Start and create an account with Leonardo.ai. Then click on Image Creation and you will be shown this interface. Click on Settings to adjust it so you can get quality images. Then you make sure the preset style is on cinematic. Then image dimensions should be on medium. Now we need prompts to generate the images. Go over the ChatGPT and copy the prompts you were given and paste it on Leonardo.ai and click Generate. And that's how you get your images. So using the same process, I will generate all the images for our video. Now we have all our images for the video. Before we move to the next step, please click on that subscribe button and like the video to help progress the channel. Now the next step is to convert our images to animated scenes for our video. For this step, I'm going to use a free tool called runwayml. Go over to your App Store or Play Store, search for runwayml and download the app, open the app. Click on Sign Up to create an account. Then click on the plus sign and click on Create. Click on Image to Video. Then we will be uploading the images we generated in Leonardo AI. Upload your first image and click on Generate and wait. Just a few minutes, the video will be ready. You can preview it to see how amazing the video is and download it. Do the same to all the other images we generated in Leonardo AI. And just like that, we have turned all our images to animated videos. We will need background music for our video. Adding some cool music to our video will make our video more realistic, and we will be using Pixabay to get our background music. Pixabay provides copyright-free music which you can use on your videos and still get monetized. Go over to your browser and type pixabay.com. Click on the first result, scroll sideways and click on Music. Scroll through the music options and select the one you like and download it. Now the final step is to put everything we have created together with editing. And we are going to use CapCut. It is free and easy to use. Go over to CapCut, click on New Project, then upload all the videos we made. Then click on Audio and upload the background music we downloaded from Pixabay. Then reduce the volume of the background music so it doesn't take over the entire video. Next, click on Audio and add the voiceover we generated from 11 Labs. Then adjust the voiceover to fit your video. Next, we are going to add some sound effects to make the video more realistic. Then you can add any transitions of your choice. That's it, our video is ready. You can now go ahead and download the video. In a land where legends are born, a ruthless enemy emerges from the skies. One king stands between darkness and his beloved queen. With courage as his shield and love as his sword. This summer, witness the epic tale of valor and heart. Only in theaters. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section.